Hi everyone, my name is Mike and we're back with another monthly business technology tip. Before we jump into this month's tip, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and stay up to date with the latest technology news and events. Since the early days of COVID, our help desk and sales lines have been flooded with calls from people just like you wanting more information on cloud desktops or hosted desktop solutions. When COVID forced many businesses to close down their offices and send their staff home to work, organizations wanted a better way to work and to share information. Cloud desktops are nothing new. Actually, they've been around for about 20 or so years now. However, the recent coronavirus pandemic has made many take stock of the overall value of cloud-based technologies and cloud desktop solutions. Were you aware that you can even move your desktop to the cloud? Yeah, it's true. Cloud desktops are the next big thing, and here are some reasons why your business needs to seriously check out cloud desktops. Rewind the clock to the late 90s and early 2000s. Microsoft Terminal servers and Citrix server dotted the business landscape. Organizations were flocking to Terminal server and Citrix. This allowed employees to work from home at night, a remote field office to connect into an application running in the office, plus a wealth of other benefits. But the downfall was this. Terminal servers and Citrix networks needed expensive server infrastructure, complex networking technologies, and many hours of support from your IT department to run effectively. 2021 and everything has changed. Well, sort of. Complexities gone. Expensive server equipment, not your problem anymore. High costs virtually eliminated. Let's say the benefits to organizations large and small are enormous. Let's highlight just a few of the benefits of cloud desktop technologies. 1. Work from anywhere at any time. 2. All your work is safe and secure. 3. High costs virtually eliminated. And I can go on with at least another couple dozen reasons why you need to consider cloud-hosted desktops. If you're interested and you want to know more, please reach out to our team and schedule your 15-minute virtual meeting and go ahead and pick our brains. That's what we are here for. You can get started and discover more by clicking the link in the description below and scheduling a time through our website. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. And after all, my name's Mike, and we look forward to hearing from you.